Hello everyone, so today I wanted to give you my 2-month update of using Collagen Peptides, Fenugreek, and MSM powder. These 3 powerhouse ingredients has gotten my hair thicker and fuller. So stick around while I'll show you how I put these 3 powerhouse ingredients to work for me.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings, simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings, simply divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shantina. First, I want to start off by saying thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for liking this video. If you have any questions or comments about anything that I mentioned in this video, or if you want to add any information to the video, please leave it in the comment section. So I have been using collagen peptides for about, I'm going to say probably about 3 years now, and I really love this product. It has done so many things, so many positive things, should I say, for my body. But most of all, the one thing that I really love about this product is the positive effect that it has had on my hair, the health of my hair. I have done several videos about collagen peptides. I'll list them below. I'll also list the most recent one up here in the cards. But go ahead, check those videos out if you want to like a really detailed description. But I was looking for more of a like boost to my like hair growth experience, because you know, collagen peptides was definitely and is definitely doing a positive thing to my hair, but you know, I wanted to boost it a little bit more. So I did some research and ran across fenugreek, this fenugreek seed. And through the research that I've done, I found that fenugreek seed has so many benefits, okay? So many benefits to the health of your scalp and the health of your hair strand. And so the fenugreek that I use is this one here. It is the Anthony's fenugreek seed. It is organic, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. So as you can see, adding fenugreek seed to my collagen peptide is a game changer. And I didn't show you the collagen peptides that I use. This is the one that I use here. It is the Sports Research Collagen Peptides, Hydrogenized Type 1 and 3. This is the one that I use here. I've been using this one for 3 years. I haven't even branched out and tried any other collagen peptides. I'm sure they should like pretty much work the same. So this is the collagen peptides that I use. But I've also added MSM powder to the mix. So now I'm taking collagen peptides, fenugreek, and MSM. And I did a little bit more research. I'll leave some links below to the research, some links below to MSM, collagen peptides, and fenugreek. Okay, I'll leave some links below so you can go and do a little bit of research for yourself, and then it'll just branch on from there to there. Okay, so let me show you how I combine these 3 ingredients to get maximum hair growth and thickness. Alright, so first there's 3 ways that I use the fenugreek seeds, okay? So first thing I do is create the oil. Now you want to let the oil and the seeds sit for about, it has to ferment for about 10 days. So first thing you want to do is get a dark bottle. They say that the oil preserves better when the bottle is dark. So I got a dark bottle, and I put 2 tablespoons of seeds in the bottle, and then I pour about 3/4 of oil, olive oil in the bottle, and then I go in and pour about 1/4 of coconut oil in the bottle. Shake it up and I store it in a dark place for 10 days to ferment. The next thing I do with the fenugreek is make the refresher. And the way that I make the refresher is like this. And I will make the refresher and the tea in the same sitting because it's pretty much the same process. So the first thing you want to do is get a small pot and pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. And then what I like to do is, especially since I'm going to make this into a tea and a spritzer, so I will take a cup of water, like my teacup of water, pour it in there, and then I will also pour another teacup of water in there so I can make both solutions. One I'm going to ingest and one I'm going to actually spray on my hair. So once I pour the water in with the fenugreek seeds, I let it boil. I bring it to a boil and I let it simmer boil for about 10 minutes. And then I take it off the stove and I will let it steep for another 5 minutes. Next, I take a strainer and I pour half of it over my teacup for my tea, and I set that aside. And then I will go ahead and pour the rest into a small bowl so I can put it in the refrigerator so it can cool off. Now while that is cooling off, I will take the collagen peptides and I will take 1 scoop of the collagen peptides and pour it into the tea mixture, the fenugreek tea mixture. Stir that up really well. And then I will go in with the MSM powder, like 1 scoop of the MSM powder. All right, so listen, the tea is not good, especially the way I make it, because it already have like a earthy, like grassy taste, like a gritty taste. And the MSM powder doesn't have any taste, and the collagen peptides, it has a light behind the scenes like earthy taste. So the tea is not good. Now some people do add honey or sugar or lemon or any of those things. Me, I just like to make it and take it straight to the head. I try to drink it like within the first 10 to 15 minutes of making it. And I do take it on a empty stomach. I take it on an empty stomach right along with my liquid vitamins, which I use NutriBurst. And I also take biotin drops, like liquid drops. And I've been taking this tea every day now for about 2 months. And I'm going to show you guys a before and after picture. I wanted to make sure that it was working and that you guys can see a significant difference, or I can see a significant difference in taking the collagen peptides, the fenugreek tea, along with the MSM powder all within it, and I see a significant difference. So now the spritzer is ready, the refresher is ready. I will take that out of the refrigerator and pour it into a spray bottle, and I will put a few drops of peppermint essential oil in there because peppermint, you know, stimulates the scalp, helping with hair growth. So I add probably about 10 to 15 drops. And in this solution, and in some solutions, I like to add like aloe vera juice. You know, aloe vera juice help with moisture, so I just added moisture to it. So if you want to add some aloe vera juice, you can do that. You don't need to add the aloe vera juice to get the results that I'm talking about. And after I do the refresher, I go in and seal it all in with the fenugreek oil. I take the fenugreek oil and I pour it all on my scalp, down my hair shaft. Even in these braids, I put it on my scalp. I put it down the hair shaft of the braids to about right here because I don't want to like waste it, and my hair is about right here. So I do this literally every day. Okay, I've been doing it every day. Okay, I'm gonna say that not every day, but for sure out of 7 days, it definitely gets done 5 days out of 7 days. And I like to refresh my hair. Okay, so I want to stop right here. If you made it this far, like, you are a real VIP. So I want to do something really nice for you guys, okay? If you made it this far, go down to the comment section and give me 2 heart emojis, and I'm going to be entering you into a raffle that I'm going to be doing as a giveaway, especially for all of my awesome subscribers. I am coming up on 25,000 subscribers, and I am so excited about it. So I want to honor you guys. I want to support you guys and thank you guys so much. So again, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up and drop down in the comment section and give me 2 heart emojis to be entered into the raffle. All right, let's get back to the video. During the day with the oil and the refresher, getting it all moisturized. A lot of people like to do it at night and sleep in it, but because I work from home, I've been working from home, it's just easier for me to do it during the day. With low porosity hair, my hair does not dry overnight. My hair likes to, like it to be open and breathing, and I just feel like my hair does better when I oil my hair, moisturize my hair, refresh my hair during the daytime, so that way it's out and open and just breathing. I'm going to be doing this regimen, this routine, I know for a fact, through the end of the year. It is July now. July, August, September, October, November, December. So about 5 more months I'll be doing this, and I am documenting every single thing. I'm documenting ingredients. I'm documenting products I'm using, ingredients that I'm using, because this is what's going to help me stay consistent in knowing what works for my hair and what don't work for my hair. Because I don't know about you, but me, I have so many products, I use so many ingredients, I do so many different things to my hair on this hair care journey that I'm on, and I'm hoping that you guys will join me on. Also, I have been writing every single thing down. I've been writing everything down in this journal that I have. I'll be talking to you guys about this journal really soon, so stay tuned. But you want to make sure that you get yourself a journal. You want to make sure that you get and in this journal you want to write down your hair care goals. Okay, you want to write down the current state of your hair. You want to write down the products that you use and the ingredients that you're using that's in those products. Okay, you want to know like what's working, what's not working for your hair. Are you taking vitamins? Are you on any medications that could be giving you a vitamin deficiency in your body, which is causing your hair to not to grow as fast as you want or get as thick as you used to your hair being, right? So you get a chance to write all those things down, and with all of that, you want to make sure that you have a weekly hair care regimen, okay? And you want to be doing these things consistently. I really hope that you guys follow me on this journey. I'm going to be doing a lot more uploads talking about protective styles, what to do in between protective styles, because for me the journey is definitely in the protective style. If I don't have my hair in a protective style, my hair it doesn't get past it plateaus, right? It stops like right here, and I want my hair to get, everybody say waist length, but that is, to me, yeah, I want my hair to get waist length. And I'm gonna stand up really quick to show you what waist length look like for me, and it's these braids. So that is where I want my hair to be in its stretch state. Right now, I guess I can do a lymph check in the next video. So I'm going to do a lymph check in the next video. Like I said, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Make sure you turn on those notifications also, so you can keep up with the journey and we can do it together. All right, and as always, remember to stay focused. Keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, curves,